Yo, what's up everyone, it's Tony here and I'm back again with another video. So it's been months since I last uploaded on YouTube. It's not my fault, guys, pardon me. I've been so sick. Some of you know, some of you don't know. Thanks to those that reached out to me. I'm recuperating and I'm fine now. Okay, I'm a med and I know I'll be okay. Okay, so but away from that, please let me know, what did I miss? I missed a lot, like I missed a lot of you. So please let me know, help me catch up. Let me know in the comment section, what did I miss? Okay, so away from that, while I'm doing this video is while I was on my sick bed, my channel got monetized on February 1st. Yes, some drum rolls please. Okay, so my channel got monetized on February 1st, okay, and that's cause for a little celebration and I'm happy. Okay, I couldn't have done it without you guys. For those that don't know what YouTube channel monetization is, YouTube channel monetization simply means that you can now earn some ad revenue from your videos. Okay, so if you go to my videos right now, my channel, any of my videos, and especially this one you're watching right now, at the beginning of it or at any point in time, you click on it, an ad will pop up right there or right here or anywhere. Okay, so it will say either skip or watch the ad. Please make sure you watch the ad to support your boy so I can earn some dollars. Okay, so away from that, guys, the purpose of this video is to let you guys know, okay, to share one or two tips on how to get monetized quickly on YouTube. So if you follow me, I'll share that tip right away. Okay, so welcome to this video. So here is the first tip. But before I do that, my channel, here is a background story of my channel. I started making videos 2019. Yes, is it 2019? Yeah, I started making videos 2019. Okay, and I wasn't quite that serious. I was just that was towards the ending of 2019, November period. I was just making a couple of videos and all of that. Okay, but officially I got on YouTube 2020 and I got serious during the lockdown. That was around March. Okay, I got serious with it, and within March, okay, I kicked off my YouTube career 2020 March. Okay, so from March till February 2021, that's more like 10 months. Okay, so it took me 10 months to get monetized on YouTube. That's more like almost a year. Okay, having a break and quench, uploading content and stopping and all of that. Okay, so but I know from my channel being monetized, I have got few tips for who cares to listen. Okay, and those tips will help you get your channel monetized quickly. Okay, so number one on that list on my my list of tips that will help your channel get monetized easily is, first of all, niche down. Okay, know the niche that you are going into on YouTube. Okay, if you are going to be making videos that are related to entertainment, okay, that's entertainment niche. If you are a business and motivational kind of person and you create videos on that, please go into that niche. Okay, so whatever niche they are going to go into YouTube, first of all, from day one, please create your channel around that, create content around that niche. Okay, it helps you set a lot of goals, and it helps set a lot of things in motion on your channel. Okay, so first of all, niche down, find a niche for yourself. Don't just create videos. I was making random videos, like just uploading content for uploading content's sake, and it wasn't fun. Okay, I was just wasting time. To be honest, I'm just wasting time. That's what a lot of you do on YouTube. Okay, so from my experience, please niche down, find a niche for yourself, and the kind of niche that you have on the kind of niche that you are on YouTube or your content fits into will determine the kind of content you churn out. Okay, and the kind of audience you have to have. So first of all, find a niche. Okay, away from that, the second thing I have to tell you is your content. I've mentioned your niche. You have to niche down. So find a content that suits your audience, and your audience are crafted, more like bust into your niche. Okay, someone that is into making money niche will hardly have an audience that loves entertainment. Okay, like making videos on the latest entertainment gist and all of that. No, you hardly find audience in that regard. Okay, so your content will be determined by your niche. Okay, so make content, create content around your niche down your audience. Okay, so if your channel is all about pets, create content around pets, dogs, cat, and all of that. Okay, what have you. Okay, if your content is all about sports, create content around sports, football, volleyball, and all of that. Okay, to help you get your audience engaged, give you more views, and also get your channel monetized quickly. Okay, and at this junction I would like to mention, before your channel gets monetized, you have to have over 4,000 watch hours, okay, and over 1,000 subscribers. And these things are not quite easy to get on YouTube. Like, it's a lot of work, okay, but if you follow these tips I mentioned, trust me, with time you are going to hit your 1K subscribers in less than a month or even 2 months, okay, depending on how the algorithm favors your videos. And in no distance time you are going to hit the 4,000 watch hours, or which is equivalent to 240 watch hours. Okay, so that does it. Then the next tip I have for you that will ensure that you get monetized fast and easily on YouTube is consistency. Okay, so if you are consistent enough, okay, you have a niche, you have an audience, you've crafted your content, where your content falls within, and you upload consistently, the YouTube algorithm has a way of rewarding people that are consistent. YouTubers that upload consistently has a way of rewarding them. Okay, and in my case, I saw I saw an exponential growth when I started uploading consistently. So I want you to also do that. Please upload, be consistent in your upload. If it's only once a week you want to upload, fine, please always stick to that. Okay, but don't just upload this month and the next 2 months you are nowhere to be found. Please just be consistent and upload content consistently. Okay, so the last but not the least of how to get your channel monetized. Okay, no, I have one more tip. Okay, so the next tip on how to get your channel monetized easily is to please engage with your audience. Okay, in your videos when you are recording, tell them, okay, share my videos to your social media handles. Tell your audience to subscribe. Tell your audience to engage. Tell them to like your videos so that the algorithm will pick up your videos and know that your videos are doing excellently well and show your videos to more persons. Okay, so make sure that you engage with your audience. Tell them, speak to them while recording your videos as I'm speaking to you right now. Okay, please leave a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video. All right, so the last but not the least of the tips that ensure that you get monetized and hit 1K subscribers very fast on YouTube is doing keyword research. Okay, so you are not just putting out content out there, you are to make keyword research on what my audience wants to watch. You have a niche, you have an audience, but okay, you have to make keyword research, what people are watching, what your audience are searching for on YouTube. Okay, let's take for example, I'm in the make money niche and YouTube niche, okay, and also the skill niche, and what people are searching for is Canva related tutorials. Okay, these are what people are searching for, the skills that are in vogue right now, graphic design skills. Okay, and I'm busy looking for how to I'm busy making videos on how to type, how to do MS Word and all of those things. My audience is not searching for that. Okay, so I have to make keyword research, and to that regards I have to mention vidIQ and TubeBuddy, okay, for your keyword research. Okay, so go and research about keyword research on how to make keyword research on YouTube. Okay, so make keyword research before you record any video. Once you are certain that this is what your audience are searching for on YouTube, okay, so make a content around there, optimize your content, your description, your tags, get it right and upload. Okay, and hopefully the YouTube algorithm picks up your videos. Okay, so I hope you guys all get these tips. These are what helped me get monetized, and also what got me to this level on YouTube. And I hope this tip helps you out there that is watching this video right now, and hope you enjoyed it. So I'll stop here right now. Okay, I would like you to also do one thing for me. Let me know let me know in the comment section what type of videos you want to see more. Okay, if there's a video topic you want me to cover, please let me know in the comment section. And if you're not subscribed, please smash that like button and also the subscribe button, you know, to subscribe to my channel. This is Anthony saying bye for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.